Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are doing well. So in this video I'm gonna share you that how to find out Australian people from Facebook. So first of all we will simply go on Facebook. Okay, I'm just trying to find out Facebook and then I have opened it. Okay, so as we search on Facebook and I'm gonna set the simple things like I'm just trying to find out Rohim. Okay, just you can simply type any name here according to your wish. Okay, just I'm pressing on search bar. So then actually I have found out one option and that is people. So I'll simply press on people. There is actually lots of people are available on Facebook, but I don't know like this person like where they are from. So actually if I try to find out 10 people from Australia, actually first of all I should know a city name of Australia. Just for knowing, actually I can simply search on Google. Okay, just simply can search in Google and I will just Australia city name. Okay, just Australia. Okay, maybe I'm gonna make the mistake. Australia. Yeah, Australia city name list. Okay, just I'm simply searching and now I have found out some names here and Cindy. Okay, I'm just gonna copy and then actually I will simply search on Facebook and I will choose the city name here and choose the location and then I will simply paste on it and Sydney, Australia. Just I will simply tap on it. Like I have found a lot of people here actually they are from Australia, and actually if I open someone else's profile, so maybe it will be clear from us. Like okay, so maybe this person lives in currently there. Okay, actually from Bangladesh but currently live in Australia. Okay, so that is why it's up here. But if I visit other profile, yeah, actually you can see it's in the Australia, and like it by following this way actually you will get it. Yeah, so like those are currently living in this country, actually we have find out their profile. uh yeah, from Miraj and lives in Sydney in Australia. Okay, so just by following, by using this method you can easily find out Australian people very easily.